Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 26th of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. So according to new estimate by which year India will achieve a target of USD 1 trillion worth of merchandise and service export. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 2030. So according to the Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal informed that India can achieve a target of USD 1 trillion worth of merchandise and service export. So India has already touched the record of USD 421.8 billion in export during financial year 2022. So the government is also looking to boost value-added exports so that new job opportunity can be created instead of raw material going out of India. Okay, so now next question. The Indo-Pacific Economic Framework does not include which of the following countries? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is China. So recently India has joined Indo-Pacific Economic Framework of Prosperity to counter China's aggressive expansion in the region. So with the help of this initiative, they will mainly focus on four areas: the digital economy, supply chain, infrastructure project, and clean energy, and tax and anti-corruption measures. So this helped to develop a common and create solution to counter regional economical challenge. So apart from India, there are total of 13 countries that support this initiative. Okay, so now next question. What is the new restriction set by the Reserve Bank of India for home loan in urban areas? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 10 lakh. So recently RBI has increased the housing finance limit to rupees 10 lakh in metro and 6 lakh in other centers. So as per RBI, recent notification limit on loan for carrying out repairs or any other alteration to their house and now been revised to rupees 10 lakh in metropolitan centers for all urban cooperative banks. So initially the limit was packed at 2 lakh in rural and semi-rural area and 5 lakh in urban area. So however, the improvement loan doesn't require any form of collateral. So they are completely based on credit score and income. Okay, so now move to the next question. PSB recently decided to transfer what percentage of their dividend to the government? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 8,000 crore. So it is estimated that state-run banks are going to pay 8,000 crore dividend to the government. So these payout by the state-run bank provide minor relief to the government as they were facing many hurdles after tax cuts on fuel. So recently RBI also transferred a surplus of 30,307 crore to the government to tackle the economic challenges. So the State Bank of India has highest payout of rupees 3,600 crore and the second place is occupied by Union Bank with rupees 1,084 crore, followed by Canada Bank rupees 742 crore. Okay, so now next question. So according to DGFT, sugar export limits are in place until which month? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 31st of October. So recently the government has decided to put a cap on sugar export to take action on the domestic market. So these instructions will applicable from June 1st so that government can ensure enough stock should be available to curb the increasing price of sugar. However, the European Union has exempted from these restrictions. Apart from that, government has allowed the export of sugar up to 100 lakh metric tons with a view to maintaining price stability. Okay, so now next question. Which payment app recently announced the launch of Gold's SIP? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is PhonePe. So the PhonePe launched a gold systematic investment plan on its platform to allow user to invest in the highest purity 24K gold of a specific amount every month. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which state has signed a renewable energy deal with Renew Power? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Karnataka. So the Karnataka government has signed an agreement with renewable energy firm Renew Power in which they will provide renewable energy plant in Karnataka for next 7 years. Okay, so now next question. Which countries are member of the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 13 countries. So the India joined a dozen other nations to launch the Indo-Pacific Economic Framework for Prosperity a US-led trade initiative meant for counter China aggressive expansion in region. So among the 13 countries backing the initiative are Australia, Berlin, Indonesia, Japan, Malaysia, New Zealand, the Philippines, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand and Vietnam. And the members jointly account for 40% of the global GDP. Okay, so now next question. From May 2022 to 26, who headed the India delegation to the World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Piyush Goyal. So the World Economic Forum annual meeting kicks off the Davos, Switzerland. So the Indian delegation will be led by Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal throughout the 5-day meeting. So this event will assist to strengthen the India's status as a vital and relevant player in creating the global narrative, especially as it's prepared to take over the G20 presidency next year. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following state has created the Sambhav site for the resolution of public energy grievances? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Uttar Pradesh. So the Minister of Energy and Urban Development, Arvind Sharma, has launched the Sambhav, also known as Systematic Administration Mechanism for Bringing Happiness and Value portal for disposal of public grievances and monitoring program and scheme for 2 departments in UP. So the portal www.sambhav.gov.in will work as a platform for flagging grievances received from the public to office who have provided logging ID. So basically the officer will have to feed their response and action taken report. Okay.